Hello, my name is Silvia Fernanda Mora Gomez. I am 30 years old. I am psychology student. I live in Bucaramanga. My favorite food is sushi. My favorite color is green and like to travel. I go to work at 6 a.m. Monday to Saturday. Come home at night and prepare my university activities. At night, I usually watch TV and prepare dinner for my family. In my free time, I usually go with my family to dinner and movie. My sister Catalina also studied at the university. She starts class at 6 a.m. every day and returns home 2 p.m. She likes to watch TV and work in a beauty salon. And her free time, she goes out to have fun with her boyfriend. Thank you.